Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new Galeon 460 Fly. Start with a little spec information on the boat. The boat is a 47-foot 1-inch overall length and a beam of just over 14 feet at 14.4 inches. Fuel capacity is just at 400 gallons. And we'll start here on the swim platform. As you can see, we have a hydraulic swim platform. So when you drop it down in the water, the stairs deploy. Makes it very easy access to the cockpit, as well as the ability to put a small dinghy or something of that nature on the swim platform. Another great feature for the marina is you have a flip down bench seat. So when you're on the dock and folks are coming by, you can hang out, have a good comfortable place to sit. See your cable master and your shore power is here on the port side stern. As we step up into the cockpit, you have the controls for the hydraulic swim platform. You have a full teak floor in the cockpit, great U-shaped seating. One thing about Galeon is everything's done in-house for the most part. So this teak wood is all manufactured by Galeon in the manufacturing plant. So now we're in the cockpit area of the Galeon 460. First thing you'll notice, number one, is the woodwork. Everything's done in-house, custom made by Galeon in the factory. It's not aftermarket, it's all done by Galeon. You'll see you have a solid surface Corian countertop, no seams, nice covers for your trash can and your sink to give you a nice big working surface. One thing I really like is this Lazy Susan comes out. You've got more storage that goes out into the cockpit. Makes a great use of space, great storage for all your supplies or when you're going on those weekend getaways. Another thing you'll notice about Galeon is the wood is all, the grains flow together. So wherever you have a cut piece of wood or two pieces, the grains will match. This is an attention to detail thing you will not see on most boats. Again, when you step up into the salon area, you notice you got great U-shaped seating, more woodwork with the inlay that's also done at the factory. The table does a number of different functions. Drops down, this can be converted to a berth. The TV is behind this couch. Comes up here, goes down, great use of space. Again, you see all the lighting. Big glass, no obstructions. Big one-piece glass windshield, no stanchion. Another feature you'll notice that's predominant in the cockpit and the salon is the Alcantara ceiling. Very durable, stain resistant, cleans easily, but yet has a really nice upscale look. As we step over to the helm, you see you've got your Volvo digital throttle and shift, trim tabs, Raymarine chart plotter, the new Volvo display that gives you all your information. Very clean dash, not a lot of clutter, very easy to find switches when you need them, and very easy to use. So now we'll take you through a quick walk through the interior of the boat. We'll start in the VIP, which is in the forward or bow section. You see you have a nice, good sized bed, and if you look at all the storage that surrounds it, there's a closet on the port side, lots of cabinets and drawers, so there's places to put all your stuff, keeps the clutter down. This is a 3-stateroom, 2-head boat. So you have 2 heads that both have stand-up showers, which is a really, really nice feature. This head here can be accessed from 2 different doors, from the VIP and then also from the common area. Then you have the twin bunks. Great, the grandkids love it, kids love it. Just a great use of space, maximizes the area over on the starboard side. As we step down into the master, you'll see you have a full beam master, which is a highly desired feature on boats this size. Typically you have to get a boat bigger than this to get this much space, but it's walk around on both sides. Again, lots of closet space, lots of cabinet space, lots of accents that really give it lots of texture. Gives it a nice, great finished look. As you come over on the port side as well, you have a makeup area. You got storage here. You got a nice seating area. Again, you're sitting out, looking out over the water. Behind the mirror, more storage. So again, a place for everything to go. Keeps the boat nice and clean. So now we're on the best part of any boat. We're up on the Flybridge. This is where you get the commanding view of the waterway, of the shoreline, and I'll take you on a quick tour of it. As we go up to the helm station, same as below, you have your digital throttle, bow thruster, Raymarine, everything that you have down below to operate the boat. You also have a nice little grilling station, wet bar, grill, fridge, storage, big sun lounge area here, and then further back, another big U-shaped seating section with the table that drops down, raises up, a lot of versatility there. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this Galeon 460 Fly or any boat we have in inventory. Please give us a call at 910-256-8100. Thank you.